There's slushy right here.
Boys, show me that water bubbling. Not too close, though. Yeah, Brennan, get off there, please, honey. We can even hear it rumbling up from the frozen creek.
It sounds like someone flushing the toilet.
It sounds like a big toilet bowl.
Yeah. Sounds like a hot tub, but it's a cold tub.
It's a nice tub.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can like just see it going right underneath it. Brennan, get away now.
What? It's shooting us.
I know that. I just don't want to see you fall in.
Okay.
Look at me. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Say love you, grandmas and grandpas.
Love you, grandmas and